Hi, Lisa here, bringing you a Trinity stamp product close-up from the Warm and Cozy Winter release. I'm introducing the new We Wish You a Merry Christmas die set. Now, this die measures approximately 5¼ inches high by 3¾ of an inch wide at the widest point. I've die cut this so I can share a few of the options you have with this set. But first, I want to start off by saying this is a die that I would leave together, and those measurements I gave you are for the die, not cut apart. However, you can remove the tree stand and the star from this die. So right off, you're going to have 4 ways to use this set. You're going to get the negative and the positive cutouts. You can emboss with this set. You can also use these separately. So you have some options right away with this set. Now, I do have a sample I want to share with you, and I also have a few from the design team members. I hope you enjoy them. We can't wait to see what you create with the new We Wish You a Merry Christmas die set. Be sure to share your creations with us in the Trinity Stamps Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation Facebook group, and use that hashtag Trinity Steps LLC when sharing over on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and be sure you click that bell to be notified of new content coming to the channel. You don't want to miss out on all these amazing products from the new Warm and Cozy release.